behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? All A plus boar plus D. Aboard. All aboard. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our show. Lady on my right is the player who was with us yesterday, picked up over $11,000 in her very first game. Jean Gibbs is her name. She's from Southern California. We're delighted to have you here today. The man who defeated you in Game 2 went on to win a car, left us with $27,000. And so today you face this young lady as your opponent. Let's all greet Tracy Woolley.
Hi.
Hiya, Tracy.
Hi, Alex. How are you?
Feeling good, aren't you?
Yes.
I can tell you got a nice, bright smile. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Albuquerque, New Mexico, but I've been here for the last 10 years.
What do you do?
On what day? No, I'm just kidding. I have about... It depends. No, I work for a company that promotes off-road racing in the Baja and Arizona. Part-time, I work for them. I work in the wardrobe department of different theaters around LA, and I also waitress.
And for this half hour, you're working on Classic
That's
Concentration.
right.
Good luck to you. Take a look over here. Marjorie will show you one of the prizes while Jean tells you about it.
Y'all come on down and enjoy Southern hospitality with your favorite belle or beau at one of America's finest resorts, the famous Hilton Head Island. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Hilton Head Island, and you'll spend 7 nights at the beautiful Westin Resort on Hilton Head Island, where you'll receive special treatment at the Royal Beach Club, including dinner in the Barony Restaurant, a seafood extravaganza in the Carolina Cafe, and breakfast in bed furnished by the Westin Resort. Alex.
Thank you, Jean. And poor Marjorie seems to have gotten into some bad wine. Is there something wrong with your plunk? Jean and Tracy, take a look on the board. We'll show you where you can find that great vacation at number 18. Tracy, you are the challenger, and so you get to select first in this game.
Okay, let's open up the board with number 12, please.
Wild
All
card.
right. And how about that Hilton Head under 18, please?
18 for
Yes.
the vacation. The other Hilton Head Island vacation is at number 16 on the same line. 3 doors opening up. Tracy, off to a very good start.
No, I don't
Pick
know.
again.
Okay, let's try number 4, please.
Wild card once again.
Okay. Well, let's see. Let's open up the puzzle so we can see what we've got here under number 14.
Red take.
Oh, okay.
The other red take at number
Okay.
23. A little bit of insurance for you later on.
Great.
3 doors. Swing them open for Tracy. Is it starting to make any more sense to you?
No.
Okay.
All right.
Go again.
Let's try number 6, please.
Bedroom set.
Oh, great. That'd be really nice. Number 13, please.
Stakes for
Okay.
you. No match, obviously, so we go to Jean.
Okay, those are both really good prizes. Let's try number 15.
Camping package.
That's great, too. Number 21, please. Let's see.
Cooking
Cooking
lessons. No match again. Tracy.
Okay, let's see. Let's try number 5, please.
Diamond
Yes.
earrings.
How about number 7?
Electronic
well,
keyboard.
okay.
No. So, Jean, back to you.
Again, those are both good prizes. Let's see what's under number 9.
An antique library globe.
And maybe the match for that under number 2.
Antique library globe. Maybe a match?
Maybe.
Yes,
It
indeed.
was a match.
It was a match.
It was a match.
And you get a look at this.
No?
Select again.
Okay, let's see number 19, if what we find back there.
Electronic keyboard.
And was that under number 6?
No, that's the bedroom set. Tracy?
Okay, try number 7, please. Number
Electronic
19,
keyboard
please.
and
Thank
electronic
you.
keyboard, yes. And you have the tape here.
Okay. No, I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save
Not
that.
interested in the antique library globe. 2 doors opening up for Tracy Woolley.
Okay, let's try number 8, please.
Cooking lessons.
Number 21, please. Yeah.
Right again.
Thank
Shall I assume that you don't want to use this take until you tell me differently?
Right.
All right.
I will definitely let you know, Alex. Okay.
Good. 2 more doors opening up for you, Tracy.
Okay. Let's see. Let's try number 1, please.
Camping package.
And number 15 for the match.
Camping package,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
All of the prizes are going up in her column. You've noticed that, folks. She's on a roll. Let's open these. Yeah, Jean has noticed.
Okay. Can I solve it, please?
Well, of course you can. Hurry. Oh,
Oh, I'm sorry.
I was about to say, you don't have to ask
Oh,
permission.
okay.
You just solve it.
Okay.
In fact, I was going to tell you, you can slow down. You've been going so quickly.
Oh,
you haven't
all
been
right.
giving yourself enough time to study the puzzle.
Okay.
Make another match and then take
All
a
right,
time.
let's see. Number 24, please.
Stakes for a year.
And the match under 13, please.
Stakes
all
for a year.
right.
Now, if you're ready to solve the
Okay.
puzzle, it might be a good idea to use the tape.
Okay, I'll take the Antique Library Globe.
Antique.
I'll take that.
You know what these things go for?
Yeah, I could do, that would be fun.
I've been coveting one of these for years.
I'll give you mine. No, that's okay.
Can't do that. When we open the doors, I want you to solve this puzzle,
Okay.
Tracy.
Boarding school.
Is it boarding school? Yes, it is, and we've got a winner of game number 1. And Tracy, you're going to the board. Well done. Big win, too. Whoa.
Let's see. Okay, we have the board, and then we have ding, boarding, and then the school of fish for boarding school.
Boarding school. Good news for you. Bad news for Jean, unfortunately. That's 2 strikes. However, a Tampa vacation, a lot of other prizes totaling over $11,000. Way to go, Jean. Nice
you.
having you with us. Take
It was
care.
fun.
So long.
Bye-bye. Good luck.
All right, Tracy.
Bye-bye.
Let's find out about your prizes. You won a bundle also. Jean?
Cooking lessons, stakes for a year, an antique library globe, a camping package, and an electronic keyboard. Clavinova Keyboards, authentic piano sounds designed with easy play features that make playing music fun for everyone. Yamaha Clavinova Keyboards, just for the fun of it. And of course, the beautiful Hilton Head Island. And this prize package totals $12,786.
Wow. Jean, on yesterday's program, picked up $11,000. You picked up $12,000, and you're going to get a shot at a brand new car when we return following these messages. A new winner in the winner's circle. Lady's going to try to win a brand new car with these 15 numbered squares and 35 seconds. Base time on the clock. Tracy, good luck to you. Off you go.
Okay. 1, 2,
No.
4, 5.
No again.
1, 5.
Right.
7, 8.
No.
2, 8.
No.
10, 11.
Nope.
4, 11.
Correct.
13, 14.
No.
9, 14.
Yes.
12, 15.
No.
12, 7.
No.
2, 12.
No.
8, 12.
Yes.
3, 6. I knew it was in there somewhere. I
Yeah,
just didn't
time
know where.
sure goes by quickly when
Yes.
you're trying to make those matches, particularly the first time. However, $12,786 is the good news. And even better, you're going to play in the next game
Yes.
when we come back after this. To Tracy Woolley in that first game, and now she gets to face a challenger. The newcomer is John Blaylock. Hello, John.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from Alabama.
Ah.
Warrior, Alabama.
How long are you living here in
I moved here about 4 months ago.
And what do you do?
Sing and write songs.
What kind of songs do you
Somewhere between country and R&B.
I see.
Yeah.
You figured Los Angeles was a good place to be to pursue that? Why not Nashville?
I did Star Search a couple of years ago and met a lot of people doing that and just had more contacts
Oh,
out
well,
here.
good for you. All
Yeah.
right. I hope it works out well for you on our program today. Here's a beautiful addition to any home.
This beautiful country French pine cabinet is deep enough to hold almost all of your entertainment needs, or your china bric-a-brac and linens, furnished by Charles & Charles. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. John and Tracy, take a look on the board. The country French armoire is dead center, number 13. John, you get to pick first.
All right, let's try to match that armoire under number 9.
New York Mountain Resort
That
Vacation.
would be nice. Okay, let's try to find a natural match under number 17.
Green take, no match. So we know where the vacation is. Tracy, you get
Okay.
to select.
Let's try number 3, please. Oh,
Encyclopedia set.
okay, and how about number 11?
Men's designer sweaters. John, back to you. You know, of course, that since this is the second game, there are the 5 bonus car seconds. And the cash pot's in this one, and it's now up to $1,200.
All right, let's find that cash spot under the bottom corner, number 25.
Red take.
We saw the green take. Let's try to match that take under number 20.
No, there's that country French armoire, and Tracy's going to make the match.
Okay, let's try number 13, please. And for the match, number 20.
Tracy is going to make the match.
Okay.
Am I good at predictions or what?
You're amazing.
Yes.
Okay.
2 doors opening up for Tracy. Pick again, Trace.
Okay, let's try number 17.
Green take.
And number 25.
Red take. No match. John.
Let's see what's under number 22.
Green take.
I think the match for that is number 17.
Green take. Yes. 17 and 22 do work out for you. She has the armoire.
Save it.
All right. 2 panels opening up in that second column. Go again.
Let's see what's under number 2.
Beauty salon makeover.
I could give that to somebody. All right.
Yeah, but you'd have to be very careful.
Who you give it to?
Yeah, you give it to somebody and she'll say, oh, what's wrong with me that I need a beauty salon makeover?
All right.
I think you pamper yourself and you take it, John.
All right. Let's see if we can match that under number 6.
Red take. No match. Tracy?
Okay, let's go with number 6, please. And the
Red
match
take.
under 25.
25 is
Yay.
right. And each of our contestants has a take. You've got the armoire. We're going to open these 2 panels.
Okay.
It's more difficult making matches in this game because we have just that one wild card. So, Tracy, select carefully.
Let's try number 5, please.
Men's designer sweaters.
Okay, and let's try for a match under number 11. Yes.
Men's designer sweaters. You didn't need a wild card.
Okay.
Open it up again for her. Try it again, Tracy.
Okay, let's go for number 3, please.
Encyclopedia set.
And let's try for a match under number 23.
Cash pot. $1,200 there, John.
I could use that cash pot. Let's try to match that under number 10.
Sofa.
Haven't seen that. Let's see what's under number 14.
No match. New York Mountain Resort. Tracy.
Okay, let's try number 16, please.
Gas barbecue.
And a match under number 7. No.
Encyclopedia set. No match again, John.
I think I remember those encyclopedias under number 3.
Correct.
And the match for that under number 7.
You are right.
All right.
There's a
Finally.
match. You have the green tape. She has the armoire and the men's sweaters.
I'm going to hold on to it a little longer.
Neither one of those prizes really strikes your fancy at the
Not
moment.
really.
2 doors opening up for John Blaylock, the challenger. Go again.
Let's see what's under number 19.
Cash pot.
Oh, where is that cash pot? Could it be number 23?
Yep.
Oh, $1,200.
Yes. Well
Yeah.
done, John.
Now, if
Want
I
to
could
use the
just
take
solve
now?
it. I have no idea what this puzzle is, so I'm going to hold on to it one.
All righty. We'll open these 2 panels for you. Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 15.
Gas barbecue.
Gas barbecue. See if we can match that under number 18.
I don't think so.
No.
That's the gold bracelet. Tracy.
Okay, let's try number 16, please.
That's the gas barbecue.
And with a match under number 15.
That's the gas
Yeah,
barbecue as
okay.
well. Tracy, John has the encyclopedia and $1,200 sitting in a cash pot.
I'm gonna take that cash pot. Sorry, John.
Money, 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 money. Coming
help
Tracy's
it.
way, and she gets to keep the cash if she solves the puzzle. Do it again.
Okay, let's try number 12, please.
Sofa.
With Imagine or number 10?
Sofa.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Open these two doors for Tracy Woolley.
Stop your complaining.
Stop your complaining, she says, and she began her response before the buzzer, and she is right. And Tracy wins big again. Come on, Tracy. Hey, you just snatched that one at the last second. Go for it.
Okay, S plus the top for stop, Y plus the or for your, the comb with a rooster for comb, plane, and the ink bottle. Ink. Stop your complaining.
Nobody's complaining over here, particularly not Tracy. John may have a little complaint because he just lost his first game, but we'll see you in the next one, John. Take care. All right, Tracy, what did you do? You hit your microphone? You got too excited. And you have reason to be excited. All of these prizes. Gene.
A cash pot worth $1,200, a gas barbecue, and men's designer sweaters. Jansen's Fashion for Men, versatile designs in swimwear, golfwear, or sweaters designed for your personal style in rich colors and distinctive fabrics, furnished by Jansen. And a sofa, the Lazy Boy Signature 2 sofa, distinctively tailored, elegantly styled, plus the comfort and quality you expect, furnished by Lazy Boy. And of course, the elegant country French armoire. And Tracy, you've got no reason to complain, because these prizes are worth $5,887.
Well, that's two big wins in a row for you, Tracy. And when we come back, we'll see if you can win a brand new car as well. After this. Gentlemen, because I changed the order. She didn't expect it. She had to bend down, go under the car, get the card, and it threw her. You see, you have to be very careful with Marjorie. She's a delicate soul. Here are the cars you are playing for, Tracy. On the bottom shelf, we have the Hyundai Excel, followed by the Nissan Sentra, the Toyota Tercel, the Jeep Wrangler, the Volkswagen Fox, the Daihatsu Charade, the Ford Escort, and the Dodge Colt. Ready to do it? Okay. 15 numbered squares coming into position. 40 seconds on the clock for you, Tracy. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
5, 8,
Yes.
4, 2,
No.
10, 11,
No.
4, 10,
Yes.
13, 14,
Yes.
15, 12,
No.
6, 9,
No.
1, 6,
Right.
2, 3,
No.
2, 11,
No.
9, 2,
Right.
7, 12.
A couple of mistakes cost you some
Yes.
precious time. However,
Will.
you are now up to $18,673 in prizes in just those two games. That's terrific.
Okay.
We'll take a break. We'll come back after this.
Some of today's participants may receive Ashley's elegant contemporary table from the Classics collection. Black chromed legs, polished brass, and beveled glass add style and charm to any decor. Furnished by Ashley. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Right, she's won over $18,000. Marjorie needs help. 965-1234. You got that?
No.
You practice while we are showing the names of the people who help make this show such a fun. See you tomorrow.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.